Then we have the deal of the day. Home Depot, don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more review videos. That's the way YouTubers the platform, by subscribing and likes, so help out the channel by doing so. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So we got some tools, automotive tools. Then we got some power tools and hand tools. So we do have some Milwaukee. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So you got a Smart Tech 12 volt shelf battery. Looks like a charger, $79.99. You got another charger here and jumper starter. It's actually a charger here. Hold on, let me just look. Charge, test, and repair. Yeah, it's a charger. $57.99. You got another battery charger here of $24.99. You got a power jump starter pack, $39.99. On these, you do have to look at the MA. The bigger, the better. I do have some 20,000 MA. Those things are a beast. At least get 18,000 or 15,000 MA. That's a really small one right there for 39 bucks. All right, you got the welding table, foldable table, 99 bucks. This is a nice one here. It's a 15 pocket electrician's tool bag pouch with quick adjust belts. It's Milwaukee, $39.97. You got a Pro Series 900 CFM air mover, or a fan basically, $109. You got a welder. It's an 80 amp, 120 volts electric flux corded MIG and TIG arc, $249. You got a 80 amp, 120 volt flux corded MIG welder, $169. 70 amp, 120 volt arc stick welder, 99 bucks. Alright, so we got some power tools. Got a rigid 6 amp corded 6 and 1/8 joiner planer, $5.99. You got, I think these are non-brushless, $2.89 for 3 tools. That's expensive. You got the fuel 12 volt lithium cordless hammer drill with the oscillating tool, impact driver hammer drill, $209. You got, these are older brush tools. Alright, you got the installation driver with the oscillating tool, $209. You got impact driver drill driver with the light, $209. And then you got the impact driver, 2 batteries, a charger, 100 reciprocating saw. Yeah, it's just a little pricey here. We've seen this cheaper. Same thing with this. It's all filler stuff. This stuff is like just filler. I guess $150 for each. So not the best deal there. Alright, so you got the lithium ion hacksaw reciprocating saw, 99 bucks. Not the best. Yeah, I guess it's okay. Well, right now, guys, you guys could do the hack on these. You guys, it's available online and at the store. You guys could buy this separately and return the battery, and then keep the tool. Alright, you got rigid 10-inch probe job site table saw with stand, $429 or $428. You got a big hog carbide hole socket 10-piece, $134. Got a rigid 18 bolt 4-tool combo kit, $429. You got a 2 table saws, 10-inch, $798. You got X-Lock angle grinders, $179. Like I said on this one, you can do the hack. I believe at the stores already and online. Alright, you got a cordless LED floodlights, 87 bucks. Alright, you got a high speed steel annular cutter kit, $279. You got a Stanley Mechanics tool set, 68 piece, 48 bucks. I guess it's okay for somebody that doesn't have any tools, or just, you know, not throw away tools, but, you know, junkyard tools there. It's a nice kit here. The Walt Mechanics tool set, 156 piece, $129. Got a Stanley tool set, 201 piece, 89 bucks. It's a really nice set here, the black one. Got a Milwaukee 3/8 and 1/4 inch drive SA metric set. $189. So you got both of these. You got mechanics toolset 605p, $699. I don't know if I would pay that much for Husky. Husky 1/2 inch drive master impact and hex bit sockets at $229. You got a gear wrench X core 3/8 drive 6-point standard pointless SAE metric, $229. And then you got a breadstick digital level, $189. SAE and metric combination wrench set, I believe just $89. That's expensive there. Got a magnetic sweeper, $79. You got screwdrivers and pliers, $33. Got a fastback utility knife. This is expensive here, and $32 for all these three. And then you got a fastback 5-in-1 folding knife with the 9-inch linesman's pliers, $39.97. Yeah, these are expensive. All right, you got the gear wrench SAE and metric 7-piece, $69. I seen this cheaper. Not the best deal, but I think I seen this cheaper somewhere else. Gear wrench, 1/4 inch and 3/8 drive custom grip rotor ratchet, $57. Got a Crescent 14-inch aluminum long handle pipe wrench, $46.79. Got a Crescent 8-inch and 12-inch adjustable plier set, $29.97. You got the Ryobi full-size glue gun, $59 with the. Well, this is a pretty good deal with the battery. All right, so you get 15-inch ultimate job site backpack, zipper tool bag, $99. Got the hat, $16. You got the shirt, $16.97. They're on clearance now. They're lowered the price. All right, this one's already sold out. You got some rails here, aluminum rails. All right, let's see what else they got. I thought they had more stuff. When I looked at it online on my cell phone, they had some car lifts and stuff like that. That's crazy. I don't know. I guess that's it for today, guys. I don't know what's up with this Home Depot page. I can't find those car lifts that I was talking about. Those mechanic. Maybe they're already sold out. Who knows? Alright, that's it for today. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.